Xin chào cả nhà, ChefQ here and welcome to Cancun, Mexico. So we are at the Royalton Riviera Resort. So the first impression when you walk into this place is like luxurious. So they made this place high, spacious, and open. Indoor deck that goes out. You get that beautiful ocean view. Look at that. Just chill here, lots of there's a lot of chairs here for everybody to relax and get that sea breeze in right here. Look at that. Wow. Lots of activities down there. Hold here, so they split it into like the regular suite, and then we got the Diamond Club, and then there's also the Hideaway Club. We are just the regular club, but there's still a lot of things to do just as a regular guest here. So this is an all-inclusive hotel resort. In our room, our TV actually has all of the things that you need, like what restaurants they are, what time they're open till, and what day. And also, you can also order room service food through your TV. So, yeah, so we got breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So right now we're going to dinner. These are all the restaurants that are open right now, what time they're open till. You can actually order room service through your TV, which is pretty cool, very convenient. And once you order, they're going to call up to your room to confirm. Yeah, so we got all these menu here. Of course, we got exclusive Diamond Club member only are these things. We are not exclusive. This place is huge. It's gonna take us some time to actually know a way around here, but they didn't really provide us with like a handheld map. But it looks awesome. Oh God, look at this big ass guy here just chilling here. Sure. You wanna stay here? Okay. Yeah. So right now we are heading out to the beach. The pool is just right there. We just reserved our seat. Oh wow, look at this. Bam. What an amazing view. Look at that. Look at that. Calm, nice calm water. It's not like surfing water, it's very calm water. We got like hammocks and stuff down there for everybody to chill, just chill. Got another bar out here. I'm not sure if they're set up out here yet, but of course there are bars everywhere. All sorts of activities out here. We got paddle boats, we got some sailing stuff. This is white sandy beach, but what is this over here? No wonder no one's swimming over here. How can we swim with these? Yeah. You cannot swim at the beach. Definitely would not recommend swimming right here. But this part, as far as I can see, all the way over there, all the way, yeah, as far as I can see, there's all these stuff right here. Hello. Are these for rent or scuba gear or those too? For hotel guests?
Yes, that's just, you have to pay $10 per person.
Okay.
For your whole stay, we give you a wristband that's for the National Marine Park fee.
Okay.
You can use it as many times you want during the day.
Okay.
That's including tax, standing paddleboard, and the sailboat.
So about $10 per day? You say?
No, $10 just once.
Oh, $10 once. Okay.
For the whole stay.
For the whole stay. Okay. So do you pay like here or you go up to the front desk?
You pay here in cash and we give you a wristband.
Oh, wristband. Okay. For the whole stay. And same these? How about these? Like scuba gear?
This one we have the scuba lesson and the pool.
Oh, the lesson?
$30 if you just want to do the pool work.
Okay.
If you want to go to the ocean, it's $125.
125. And you drive us out somewhere?
We pick you up from here on a speedboat. We take you to the reef.
Okay.
And do one-time dive.
One time. How long is the dive?
About 45 minutes.
40 minutes underwater. So go out to the island, the island part, or what? Where? Over there?
About 15 minutes from here.
Okay. And same with that. Is that $10 too, or what?
Yep. If you know how to use it.
Oh, okay.
Or
what if you don't know how to use? Someone do
yes,
it for us?
$25 extra cost.
$25. Okay.
You can put 4 people at a time.
4 people. You have to put a sail on it.
Yeah.
No sail yet. Okay. Okay. Gracias, amigo. So the man there just got some coconut on these trees here, and just chop us one right here. So there are so many little places and spots for you to just pick and just chill out, you know. Places like these where they just, you know, have seats. Then we get the shower here for when you come on the beach. Oh man, there are a lot of these little, or big actually, iguanas just everywhere on the resort. Ways to the beach. We got this walkway here. Just chill. Gracias. Thank you, thank you. Uh-huh. This is a heavy one. This looks like a good one. You ain't gonna drink? Yeah? Yeah. Hola. Hey. What's good? Oh, special. Woo. I'm going to try to eat at all of the restaurants that they have here. Well, I guess except for the Diamond Club member one and the Hideaway one, because we can't really get into those. So we are at the Gourmet Marche again for breakfast. There's not a lot of breakfast restaurant here. There's only like 2 breakfast places here in the resort. And that's why it's so busy here at this buffet in the morning. Otherwise, you'll have to order in-room service, which there's not a lot of options. Thank you. I don't know why, but we always get seated down around this area. We've been here like 3 times, and like within these 2 tables, we got the same spot. Well, we have to eat quick because we got a camel ride excursion in a bit. Yeah, camel. Let's check out their breakfast menu. All right, coming in here, we got all the bread. More bread. More bread and sweets. Donuts. Morning. Good. Just one.
One omelette?
One omelet with ham, some zucchini, spinach,
Yeah, sure.
onion, and tomato. Yes.
That's it?
Yes, we're okay.
Would you like some pepper?
Yes, please. Salt and pepper. Ah, there.
Queso.
Sí, yes. Queso. Cheese. There we go.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Gracias.
Good morning, Felicia.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, this station is kind of the same. Hash browns, sausage. Oh, more egg. More omelet station. Oh, these are already pre-made. Oh, there's like 3 omelet stations. I mean, there's plenty of different food in here. There's like Mexican food, there's some American food, there's Chinese, there's Indian, there's Italian. So there's a lot of different cuisine in this buffet. Fish is really fresh though. Oh man. Ooh, that fried fish is good. Babe, how's it?
Let me try it.
But usually, you know how buffets are, they try to cheapen up the food and stuff, quality. But the quality here, they don't ease up on the quality of food. It's already all inclusive, so basically we're already paying for this food for high quality. Yeah, there are so many restaurants in here. It's kind of hard to pick what to eat next. All you can eat, all you can drink. Oh, this is really good, babe. Here, try it. You'll like that. So for all the families, we got the kids area too. So they do separate the family side, and then we got the other side for the adults where all the bars and stuff. There is a bar here too, but mainly for kids. Right now we are going to the Caribbean Grill. Unfortunately, at lunchtime, there's not a lot of options for lunch restaurant. There's the buffet, the Caribbean Grill, and another one, but that's over at the Diamond Member Club. But perfect. So we are attending the wedding ceremony after this. Okay, we got the starters. Looks like most of the main dishes are chicken, like chicken here, vegetarian, a burger, and there's a shrimp. There's not a lot of seafood option here. Well, they do have fried calamari and grilled octopus. But of course, you gotta pay more. Enhance your experience. Lobster tail and that. Extra. Start off, I guess they just, there's chips and dips. This is fish. Wait, there's octopus in here too. There's octopus in here too. There's a mix of things, huh? Let's try this. Kind of tastes like tomato sauce, ketchup-y. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Got fried calamari. Got a ceviche, shrimp ceviche. That's a conch clam chowder, or clam chowder, but it's conch chowder. You use conches here instead. Octopus. Muchas gracias. And then shrimp fettuccine. Al pastor taco. That's first. Creamy, crunch meat. Yeah, definitely not clam. Clam, I think the clam juice would have been more sweet, like more savory. Yeah, next, ceviche. Looks like there's tomatoes in here, some mango pieces in here too. This is a raw, cooked with lime juice. Cilantro. Nice, crispy shrimp. Tastes very fresh. Squeeze this on here. Some sauce. Grilled lime. Bomb octopus. Let's try the fried calamari though. It's slightly battered. Mm. 8 out of 10. Let's try the shrimp fettuccine. Uh-oh, I might have waited too long. I'm kind of thickening up. Sauce is a little bit thick here. Shrimp, a little bit small too. You know what it tastes like to me? Mac and cheese. The sauce is kind of like mac and cheese. It's really not a fettuccine sauce. But to sum it up, we've been trying to look for like a place that sells seafood like shrimp, octopus, calamars and stuff. Yeah, because over at the buffet and stuff, there's basically very little seafood. There's not as much seafood over there, mainly like chicken, beef, and pork. But over here at this restaurant, at least we have the octopus, calamari, some shrimp ceviche, shrimp fettuccine, and like a conch chowder. I guess that's mostly of the seafood that we get. Unless you're a Diamond member club, then you go to the other restaurant that you're permitted to go in. I'm betting those places have more seafood option. But other than that, you want lobster tails and more like expensive stuff, you gotta pay more. But I'm fine with this. I rate this place about 7 out of 10. On to the next one.